Hi guys, I'm Michelle with The Recipe Bandit, and tonight we're going to be making an easy one-pan egg roll bowl. This is one of our favorite recipes. This is one of my friends' favorite recipes because this is really an easy weeknight win. It's a low-carb, keto-friendly recipe. It's also, a good source of protein, fills everybody up, doesn't take a lot of ingredients, and doesn't take a lot of time to make. Those are our favorite kind of recipes, especially on busy weeknights. So for this recipe, you're going to need a pound of ground beef. You don't have to worry about getting the leanest ground beef because we're going to cook it and we're going to drain the fat off of it. So even if you use the less expensive, higher fat, don't worry about it. We're going to get rid of all of that extra fat. You're also going to need about 6 cups of coleslaw mix. Coleslaw mix or shredded cabbage, with a few carrots thrown in there for fun, whatever you want to do. Typically, I cheat and make my life a little easier and buy a 14-ounce pre-mixed coleslaw bag that doesn't have any dressing on it and use that. Today, we had to actually shred up a cabbage because they didn't have any at the grocery store. So we'll need about 6 cups or a 14-ounce bag of coleslaw mix. You'll need some green onions, you'll need some soy sauce, some beef broth, some ground ginger, minced garlic, butter, rice vinegar, sesame oil, and a little salt and pepper. You're not going to need a lot for this one, and this one doesn't take very long. We are going to go ahead first. The very first thing we're going to do, if you haven't done it, is cut up your green onions, and you want to separate and keep about 2 tablespoons aside. So I have split these already so that I know that these will be for serving and that I won't need them while I'm cooking. So I'm going to set them aside, and everything else will move over to the stovetop. We're going to go ahead and get this started. Now, in a large, deep-sided skillet over medium-high heat, you'll add the ground beef, the green onions, and your minced garlic. We will break up the meat as we cook it. This process is going to take between 5 and 10 minutes, and we'll stir it occasionally, and we'll keep cooking until the meat is completely cooked through and browned. Now, once your meat has browned, we're going to remove it from the skillet. We're going to drain off the fat, and we are going to return it to the same skillet. All right, right back into the skillet it goes. And turn your heat back on to medium-high heat. Next up, we're going to add our coleslaw mix or our shredded cabbage, our beef broth, our soy sauce, our butter, our ginger, and our rice vinegar. And we're going to stir to combine. Now this mixture is going to heat through, and we are going to let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes once it comes up to a bubble. Now once the mixture's bubbling, you can see it's bubbling here, you're going to want to stir it every so often. And this is because you're cooking all of that cabbage down. You can see it reducing in size. You can see the fluid is starting to get kind of soaked in. And that's what we're doing. We're going to make the cabbage tender, and we're going to get all of that liquid to get incorporated into our egg roll bowl. Just about there. All right, the majority of that liquid is gone. It's cooked down. Our cabbage is tender. Everything looks good. It smells great. We are going to just add a little salt and pepper to taste. We use kosher salt and pepper. You don't need a lot. Taste it first, but we like it just a little extra bit at the end. Now we're going to remove it from the heat, and we'll get it ready for serving. And that is all there is to this recipe. We have created a one-pan egg roll bowl. Now to serve this, you're going to split it. This makes 4 portions. So to serve, you just spoon some into the bowl, however much you want, or divide between 4 bowls. Whatever makes you the happiest. This makes fantastic leftovers too. We are going to add some of those reserved green onions that we took in the beginning and set aside. Just going to throw some of those on, and we're going to drizzle with a little sesame oil. So this is our finished egg roll bowl. This is packed with veggies, packed with meat, so filling, so delicious, so flavorful, and gosh, so easy. I love those ones. Those are the kind of recipes that I want to share with you guys. The stuff that's delicious, but really, really easy to make. That's what we're trying to do here on this channel, is bring you the easy, good recipes with stuff you have in the house you don't have to make special trips for. This one, as you can see, super quick. Great weeknight dinner. The recipe for this easy one-pan egg roll bowl will, of course, be on the website at therecipebandit.com. It's also in the description, and I hope you guys will make it. I think this is a great recipe for your family, especially if you're a busy family and you got to feed everybody during the week. This is a great, easy one. I hope you guys will try it and let me know if you do. If you like what we're doing here, please like and subscribe. Please click that little notification button so you know when we put out new videos. We put them out at least once a week and sometimes a little more often. Right now, a little more often, but you won't miss one if you click that. Thanks so much for joining us tonight, you guys. Hope to see you back soon.